I want to use the recent departure of Coach Philip Williams as the head coach of Premier League club Dunbeholden to highlight an existing reality in local football that is far from ideal. Coach Williams is also the head coach of the St. Andrew Technical High School Manning Cup team and a teacher at the school. His departure from Dunbeholden was precisely because the logistics and the timing could not be worked out. And of course, Williams is not the only one. Jerome Waite, Davian Ferguson, Lenny Hyde, Craig Butler, Anthony Patrick, Tapper Whitmore, Marcel Gale, and Donovan Ducky, all prominent coaches who are in charge of teams at the schoolboy level and the Premier League level as well. Now, this is obviously far from ideal. No matter how great these coaches are, their focus and their time will be split, and none of these teams will get 100% attention. But we are in a small market where coaching jobs don't pay enough. So they coach them Affi Juggle while they football in a puddle.